Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a custom thumbnail on your YouTube video. Okay, so this is by using Pixlr editor. Now I have left the link to this website in the description box below. Click on it and it will lead you to this image right here. Okay. So basically you're not going to download the software of Pixlr editor, okay? You're just going to modify your YouTube thumbnail, create it at Google Chrome or any other browser, okay? It's not an external program, okay? So first thing you want to do is click on create a new image and, okay, name it, for example, project. Keep the presets on 800 and 600. Okay, now the width and the height, they should be according to the YouTube thumbnail dimensions, okay, which is 1280 times 720, okay? So 1280, 720, okay? And make sure you click on transparent before you create the image. And you click on OK. So as you can see, this is where the YouTube thumbnail is going to be created, and these are the dimensions, okay, which are 1280 times 720, 1280, 720, okay. And first thing you want to do, okay, for example, I want to create a thumbnail about how to create an additional new channel on YouTube, okay, for example, okay. So I go to Google Image and I search for a YouTube background. Okay, as images, these are all YouTube backgrounds, okay, and make sure the one you're gonna choose is more than 1280 times 720, okay, so you can modify it and downsize it, okay, to make it look perfect, okay. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one right here, which is 1920 times 1080, which is bigger, okay, so this is a good one. I click on it, I right click, and I click on save image as, save it to your desktop or anywhere you want, okay, and make sure you save it as a PNG file, okay, it's better to save it as a PNG. So this is the background right here. I go back to Pixlr editor and I click on file, open image, I locate the image, okay, this is it. It opened on a new image file right here. So what you're gonna do is transfer it from here to the thumbnail, okay, to where you're creating the thumbnail. So Control A and then put Control C to copy it, close it and choose no, and Control V, okay, and there you have it. It's too big right now, so I'm gonna modify it. So I click on this cursor right here to move the tool, to move the image, okay, as I can move it anywhere I want. And to downsize this, to make it smaller, I click on edit, free transform, okay. So I'll make it a bit smaller to fit in the page, and as I'm making it smaller, I can move it, okay. So this should be good right here. So this is a proper background, okay. So, and I click anywhere right here outside of it and save, yes, okay. So right now I want to, for example, include a text, okay. So I click on A, okay, the text logo, and I click anywhere on the photo where I want to write the text, okay. So here's where you write the text. So for example, it is how to create an additional new channel on YouTube, okay. So you can modify it right here to make it into 3 lines or 4 lines by clicking enter, Okay, and here it's like in Microsoft Word. Okay, you can choose the font, whichever font you like. For example, let's choose this one. Okay, and you can modify the size. Let's increase the size a bit to make it fit, and you can choose the font style. Let's make it bold, and you can align the text so it's properly aligned in the middle right now, and you can choose the color. Okay, let's choose the color to be white. Okay, so you click on OK, and you click on the cursor to move the text. It's not a proper place. Okay, so you move it and you put it in somewhere that fits. Okay, so for example, let's add a small logo to our thumbnail. Okay, to make to make it look a little better, and you go to Google Images again, and you type YouTube, for example, YouTube logo transparent. Okay, make sure the small images that you want to fit into the thumbnail are transparent. Okay, so let's click this one, for example, and you can see that it's transparent by looking at the small squares all around. Okay, so I save it on my desktop, save, and I go back to Pixlr and File, Open Image. I locate it. Okay, again, Control A, Control C, close it, and Control V. Okay, so this is too big for the image. We want to downsize it again, so we click on Edit, Free Transform. We make it smaller, and we want to move it again to here, for example. Okay, this is not the perfect thumbnail to make. You can be more creative than that, and you can add more images if you like, add more text, so whatever your YouTube video is about. Okay, so for example, I want to go back to the text to move the text. So here are the layers that I can choose in order to modify them or move them or downsize them. So I choose, for example, here how to create, and here I can move the how to create text. I choose the background layer where I can move it. Okay, so to move any layer you have to choose it first, and for example this one, layer 3, where I can move it as well. Okay, so let's just say this is the created thumbnail and I want to save it. Okay, so File, Save, and make sure you save it as PNG, okay, for full quality, and because the YouTube thumbnail size, okay, according to YouTube, must be under 2 MB. Okay, so this is a good one. Okay, click OK and locate it on your desktop, save. Okay, so here's our created thumbnail. Okay, now I want to add it to my YouTube video. So you go to YouTube, you click on the logo, and you click on Creator Studio. And you go to your video manager. Okay, and you choose which video you want to add the thumbnail to. Okay, I've made a video before how to create an additional new channel on YouTube. Okay, and let's just say that I want to add the new thumbnail. I click on change image and I choose the thumbnail that I have created. And that's it. Boom. Okay, you click on save change. So you go back to your videos to see if the thumbnail has been changed. What's wrong with my phone? Okay, it's not loading properly. I don't know what's the issue. Let's go back to my videos. Okay, so here it is. Okay, as you can see, this is the thumbnail updated right here, which I have added. Okay, if you click on edit, you're not gonna see it in a big size right here directly. I don't know, this is an issue with YouTube, but most importantly is you see it on in the list of your videos. Okay, so guys, if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like and please subscribe for more how-to videos, and let me know in the comments below what would you like me to add to upload on my next how-to videos. Okay, thank you for watching and take care.